Hello folks, RG here from Ron's Beer Review and Tools. And Tools is the subject today. As you can see right there, CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon air compressor with accessory kit with it. Gives a 1-year warranty. I'll do an opening on this video on opening it, and then I will do on part 2, possibly, a review. If I have the time, I'll do the review on this now, but getting kind of late in the day, so be a part 2. Alright. One of my old Cub Scout knives. I always have a knife on me, usually one of the Scouts, Boy Scout, Cub Scout, Girl Scouts, Brownies. Alright. How much is done? A hose. The kit they throw in with it. I have a bunch of these downstairs in a plastic container. It's nice getting these here. Nice looking, 6-gallon, made in the USA, like all CRAFTSMAN stuff used to be. So made in USA, 6-gallon, 150 PSI. Alright, we'll turn it on. Switch here. On my other compressors, tank pressure stops at 125 psi on them, and a lot of them that I know have, but this one may be 150 because it's designated 150, but we'll see. 3-gallon tank. Takes a little longer than my other smaller tank, 3-gallon. Or it should. There you go. Tank pressure stopped at 150 psi, and I'll set the gauge, the pressure gauge, at 32. There we go. Sorry, 150, and the regulated pressure of that 132. Correction, the regulated pressure psi of that 32 for my my tires of my vehicle. Well, sounds good. Not bad. So we get to the tires that are low, and appears to be a pretty good pancake from CRAFTSMAN air compressor.